Alright, so this video I want to talk about budgeting and cash flow. Mainly because as you make profit, and I guess from the last video where I got into it earlier, I might redeem myself here. What you want to do is that as you take profit, you want to move money out to USDT, or actually cash it out and move it out so that you're not trading with it. Or if you're not trading with the coin that you might like, let's say you trade BTC, but then you're not really trading ETH, then move to ETH. But you're trading ETH, then move to BTC, vice versa. I'm trading with both right now, so I'm kind of stuck on one, trying to wait for this to get out, and then this will be out soon. But whatever you made to that day, you made something, move it out. Okay, move it out. Eventually, it's gonna either and then as you move it out, you can leave some behind so that it'll build. But you can see eventually. One day it's gonna crash on you or it's gonna take you, right? So when that does happen, you can be like, you know what, I've been saving this good, I built it up twice or 3 times, whatever it is, moved it out, it's a big account, or you can take one big hit but you can recover, and then you can use this to pay bills or whatever, or like at the end of the month, hey, I gotta pay utilities, whatever, move that out, cash it out, whatever, move it to your BitPay card. Okay, so I just want to stress that it's important that that we kind of have this this way to cash out. Now I remember when I was playing craps with my wife when I was dating her at the time. Like I'll start with $100 and I will like play craps and I'll win, right? I'm like, here, it's $20. $20. I'll take 10. I'll give her 10, and then go again. Oh, $40. 20. And then I'll keep going, right? And I think we made it like $200-300 in her pocket, and I was like, I had a big chunk, like 300-400, whatever, and then it started going down, but she's, she like, you ain't touching this one tonight, right? So I made 100 plus another 100 back, and then I started using it, made a little bit back, and then all of a sudden I lost everything, right? But then if I kept that entire pool, I would walk away with nothing. Okay, so because we were done, we pushed it away. This money is our profit that we take. So if we keep playing, eventually the house is going to win. We just have to realize that. I don't think we can do this forever if we don't properly manage it. We keep going 100% all in, 100% all in, 100% all in. All the house needs to do is take that one time to clean you out, right? But if you're always moving stuff out, it can't clean you out as fast. That's why we always use a percentage in the bot. We don't use, sometimes we get manually trading, we use too much contracts or whatever, and like, oh man, I just used up 80% of my wallet, and all of a sudden it took me, and I'm like, ooh, I didn't realize I used that much. But because the bot budgets that for you, which is important, that once you click it once, it's set up 30%, and I'm not adding any more to it. Okay, so of course, unless you want to set a trap, then it'll open and close real quick so that you don't get in too big a position either. Okay, at least that's the idea. But it doesn't have a way to manage that. If you set up too much entry orders, it will enter. You set up entry order 3 times, one over another, it will over enter you. Okay, so all right. Well, hopefully that helps. Make sure you manage your cash flow and move things out. Yep.